Welcome to Marietta Toyota, conveniently located on Cobb Parkway South. At Marietta Toyota, we believe that car shopping should be fast and easy. That's why our Marietta Toyota Lifetime Benefit Program includes our most popular vehicle accessories pre-installed on the vehicle to save you time at the dealership and are guaranteed for as long as you own your vehicle. Our Marietta Toyota Lifetime Benefit Program includes our nationwide lifetime powertrain warranty, valid over 2,500 participating dealerships and service centers nationwide. Our lifetime powertrain warranty is valid for unlimited miles and unlimited time, as long as you own your vehicle. Plus, lifetime guaranteed window tint, which blocks 99% of the sun's ultraviolet rays from entering your vehicle. This helps reduce glare while protecting skin and eyes from damage. Plus, lifetime nitrogen fill for your tires. Nitrogen-filled tires means that the loss of tire pressure is slower because the gas in the tire escapes more slowly than normal air does. With nitrogen-filled tires, you'll get better gas mileage and get full tire life since you're always rolling on fully inflated tires. Plus, lifetime guaranteed hood protection film. This protective film provides a bumper between your car's paint and its enemies, rocks, dust, and UV rays from the sun, protecting your vehicle's looks and its resale value. Plus, lifetime guaranteed door cup film and door edge guard film safeguards the edge of doors from abrasion, dings, chips, environmental corrosion, and other minor damage. These door protectors are virtually invisible and clear-coated to help make them resistant to yellowing and staining. Plus, lifetime guaranteed all-weather floor mats in wet conditions or on rainy days. These durable all-weather mats are your best option. They come with lines and ridges to help keep moisture or water in place. This prevents spillage on the car floor, protecting your car's looks and its resale value. Car buying should be fast and easy. Save time buying your new Toyota at Marietta Toyota on Cobb Parkway South, just 15 minutes from Atlanta. Marietta Toyota. We've been here. We're going to be here for you.